Hello friends, welcome back to Study Hub by Telushwan YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to start with the next topic, that is saprotrophes. Okay, let's start with the next topic, that is saprotrophes. And before starting, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. And let's start this topic. You might have seen packets of mushrooms sold in the vegetable market. Okay, so in our vegetable market, we often have seen that mushrooms are sold. You may have seen fluffy umbrella-like patches growing in the moist soil. Okay, something like this. In the moist soil or on rotting wood during the rainy season. You might have seen fluffy umbrella-like. You see this type. This is in this something like the shape of umbrella. This umbrellas, that chhatri, and this is that hook from where we catch it. Okay, it's something like fluffy. If you have ever touched it, so it is a fluffy type. Okay, so have you ever touched it? Okay, it is mostly grown in the moist soil. Moist soil means in this type of soil. And if it is not, you cannot find it in the moist soil, you can also find it in the rotting wood during the rainy season. During the rainy season, and you can find it in the moist soil or you can find it in the rotting wood. Let us find out what type of nutrients they need to survive and from where they get them. Okay, let's see about their mode of nutrition. Okay, Bujo wants to know how these organisms acquire nutrients. We will study. Wait. They do not have mouths like animals do. They are not like green plants as they lack chlorophyll and cannot make food by photosynthesis. Wait. Okay, let's see activity 1.2. Take a piece of bread and moisten it with water. Take a bread. Just imagine I have a bread in my hand. I just took some water and just sprinkled and just rubbed it. Okay, now it is become moist. Leave it in moist warm place for 2 to 3 days or until fluffy patches appear on them. Okay. So just moisten it with water and then leave it in warm moist place until fluffy patches appear on them. Some fluffy patches will appear on them. What is the color of these patches? What is the color of these patches? Observe the patches under a microscope or magnifying glass. If you do not have a microscope, then you can use magnifying glass and just zoom in. Okay, write down your observation in the notebook. Just note its color. You will see cotton like threads spread on the piece of bread. You will see cotton like threads. Okay, something in green color. Okay, you will see it something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, these organisms are called fungi. They have a different mode of nutrition. They absorb the nutrition from the bread. This mode of nutrition, in which organisms take in the nutrients from dead and decaying matter, is called saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Such organisms with saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotroph. Something like green patches you will see over there. So what is that green patches, that fluffy green patches? These are basically organisms known as fungi. Okay, so fungi have a different mode of nutrition. What do? Is they absorb the nutrient from the, here in this case, fungi absorb the nutrient from the bread. And the mode of nutrition where the organism absorbs all the nutrition from the dead and decaying matter are called saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, some organism that takes their nutrition from saprotrophic mode of nutrition is called saprotrophic mode of organisms that take their nutrition from dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, such organisms with saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs. Okay, organisms that do saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotrophes. Okay. Fungi also grow on pickles, leather, clothes, and other articles that are left in hot and humid weather for a long time. Okay. Fungi also grow on pickles. Okay. Okay. So I hope you must have understood this part. Okay. And if you haven't understood, then just rewind the video. Fungi also grow on pickles. Pickles means achar. Okay. Leather clothes पे, and other articles that are left in hot and humid weather for long time. Articles that are left in hot and humid weather for long time, fungi grows on them. During the rainy season, they may spoil many things. Ask your parents about the menace of fungi in your house. How much fungi is present in your house? Ask means menace means you need to understand a bit about it. Okay, just understand about it. The fungal spores are generally present in the in the air. Okay, fungus have small tiny spores. Okay, these spores are basically present in our surroundings. When they land on any moist thing, okay, when they land on any wet and warm things, they germinate and grow. Now you can figure out how we can protect our things from getting spoiled. Okay, how we can protect our things from getting spoiled? Do not place them in wet and warm things. Okay, this is the solution to not be getting spoiled by spoil your things by fungi. Okay, some organisms live together and share their both. Okay. Okay. Okay, fungi are these organisms. Okay, so they usually grow on dead and decaying matter, and they have the saprotrophic mode of nutrition. This nutrition is called saprotrophs. And now let's study about this pahelis something. Okay, pahelis is keen to know. Keen means utsuk hai जानने के लिए. Whether her beautiful shoes, which she wore on special occasions, were spoiled by fungi during the rainy season. She wants to know how fungi appear suddenly during the rainy season. Okay. Why fungi? Okay. Okay. Her beautiful shoes, which she wore on special occasions, are spoiled by fungus. So she want to know why in rainy season it is in abundance, because we already studied it is in wet warm place. Okay, and in rainy season you mostly have seen that it is everything wet over there, so this is why it is more in rainy season. Okay, let's see something that is said by Bujo and Paili. Bujo says once his grandfather told him that his wheat fields were spoiled by a fungus. He wants to know if fungi cause diseases also. Okay, so Bujo says that his grandfather, उसके दादाजी ने बोला था कि उससे एक बार कि उनके दादाजी ने बोला था कि उनके जो व्हीट फील्ड्स है वो फंगस से एक बार ख़राब हो गए थे. ठीक है, तो अब बूजो को जानना है कि कहीं फंगाई से डिसीजेस तो नहीं होती हैं. Pahili told him that many fungi like yeast and mushrooms are useful, but some fungi cause diseases in plants, animals including humans. Some fungi are also used as medicines. अब देखिए, पहली ने बोला है कि कुछ होते हैं जो हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल होती हैं, जैसे आपके यीस्ट होता है, मशरूम होता है. ठीक है, तो ये कुछ हमारे हेल्पफुल होते हैं. ठीक है, बट जो हमारे फंगाई होता है, फंगाई हमारे लिए कुछ फंगाई होते हैं जो डिसीज़ कॉज करते हैं ह्यूमंस में भी, एनिमल्स में भी. ठीक है, प्लांट्स में भी. ठीक है, बट कुछ फंगाई होते हैं जिनकी हेल्प से हम लोग मेडिसिन बनाते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. Okay, I hope you have understood it till here. If you haven't, you can ask me some. If you haven't about something, understood something, you can also ask me in the comment section below. And if you want more to study, then just not more to study. If you haven't understood some topics, a topic, two topic, and you can just rewind the video. Okay, come on, now let's study about this. Some organisms live together and share both shelter and nutrients. This relationship is called symbiosis. Okay. Some organisms live together and share both shelter and nutrition. This relationship is called symbiosis. For example, certain fungi lives inside the roots of plant. The plants provide nutrients to the fungus, and in return the fungus provides water and certain nutrients. Okay? Okay. What is symbiosis? Okay. Symbiosis is a relationship. In this relationship, what happens? There are two organisms. One organism live inside the not live inside. One organism live inside the roots of plant, and this organism that is living in the roots of plant, this organisms demands that give me food, water from the plant, and in return it takes the food, water and everything, and in return this will give some nutrients to it. Okay, the plant provide nutrient to the fungus, and in return the fungus provide water and certain nutrients. Okay, one will give food to other, and other will give shelter to other. Okay, so there is one more example. First is of this plant and fungus. One example is plant and fungus. The other example is rhizobium and leguminous plants. Okay, so that's all for today. In today's class we studied about symbiosis, only this symbiosis. Okay, and about saprotrophes and about symbiosis. In our next class we will study about lichens is just of 5-6 lines. Let's finish it in this class also. In our next class we will study about how nutrients are replenished in the soil. Let's finish this small portion also today. In organisms called lichens, a chlorophyll containing partner, which is an alga and a fungus, live together. The fungus provides shelter, water and minerals to the alga, and in return the alga prepares and provides food to the fungus. Okay guys, so in this mode of nutrition there is a lichen. Okay, so this lichens is an organism. Okay, so in lichens there is a chlorophyll containing partner. Chlorophyll containing partner means a partner that contains chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll containing partner is an alga, and with alga a fungus also lives with it. So third combination is alga and fungus. Okay, the fungus provides shelter. This fungus provides shelter to alga, water and minerals to the alga, and in return the alga gives the food and nutrition to the fungus. Okay, so we studied three symbiotic relationship. That is, first is of rhizobium and leguminous plants. Second is of plant and fungi, and the third is of alga and fungus. Okay, so this is topic is finished. So today in this class we finished about symbiotic relationship, saprotrophic mode of nutrition, and about this symbiotic mode of nutrition. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked my class, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.